horses up there, and there's one or two over this way too. But you can bring travel trailers in here or tents. Listen to that. That sounds good. Travel trailers or tents here. And if you bring your horses and you want to, like, man, shut up, I can hear that bird. That's what y'all said. Well, that's a quail or partridge. Let's do it. But I'm about to make something to eat. Like I said, that's where you, if you want to ride the trails and all, you just tie your horses up. Get back with y'all, maybe something. It's like 7:31. And my pretend wife ain't made me nothing to eat today. Ain't you horny? That's what I'm saying, son. That's what. Listen to her over there. See her talk to me. I love you, Sonny. Well, that don't sound right. There's probably some. If them people's in the bushes in the woods over there, this man ain't something ain't wrong with that. Something ain't right about that man. Something ain't right with that man. I'll get back with y'all. I don't know why I'm whispering for. I'll get back with y'all. I'm gonna make. That sounds nice. I'm gonna make me something to eat here. Oh yeah, get back. Let me. I had paused it and then let me get back. I was talking about my pretend wife here. Yeah, darling. Yeah, she made me something to eat today. Not. Well, that's the way it is when you single as a Pringle. Not by choice, you know. I'm looking. Oh boy, that air feels good, man. But yeah, I'm gonna make me something to eat. If I lose y'all in this video, I'll make another one. Okay? Hold your drawers on. I'm gonna put it on pause and I'm gonna make some eat, like I said.